Greetings family, Sarai here from Unity Link Up. I am here at Pop Brixton. We are here to, let me show you, pack up all the boxes then, all the barrels then. We're going on the container today. Big up to Harry and the team at Pop Brixton. Also Blacker Dread. And big up DJ Styler as well from Montego Bay Relief. So it's 2026. Take a look inside. 2026. Together, Jamaica will rise again. We're on a mission for the rebuild of Jamaica. So all of these are going on the shipment today. And I also want to do a special shout out to all the businesses, small businesses that have traded with us over the last few months, because all your fees have been helping to buy products, the barrels, to get the container and get it shipped off to Jamaica.
The one like when they flip more down, right?
Like the mosaic basket, all of them kind of things. Any box can come forward. Anyone else? Any box can come forward. Next 4 months. No.
Yeah, barrel after barrel. Bag after bag. Together, Jamaica will rise again. Yes, George.
Yeah.